In today's video, we will talk about how a whale made $370K gains in their portfolio. Also, we will talk about crypto. The whales are accumulating and selling right now. And also we will talk about Justin Sun's big move. Do not skip as you might miss some important information I have posted in this video. Make sure to watch till the end. On June 25th, there was a notable surge of around 27% in the price of AAVE, and this surge seems to be directly associated with the activity of this particular whale. Throughout the day, the whale accumulated a total of 182,152 AAVE, equivalent to $13.2 million, from various addresses on exchanges. The whale amassed a substantial quantity of 257,147 AAVE, amounting to approximately $17.2 million. The whale's holdings have reached 474,579 AAVE, equivalent to about $31.8 million. Interestingly, the price of AAVE began to decline once the whale ceased accumulating. Another whale borrowed $339,448 USDC from Aave and utilized the funds to purchase 5,091 AAVE tokens at a price of $66.67. Subsequently, the whale deposited these tokens back into Aave. It is evident that the whale is taking a bullish position on both AAVE and ETH within the Aave platform. Notably, the whale has accumulated a total of 35,672 AAVE tokens, equivalent to a value of $2.64 million, since April 6th. The average purchase price for these tokens stands at $73.92. The whale recently swapped 10,580 AETH for 284 AETH, resulting in a current holding of 25,091 AAVE tokens, equivalent to $1.67 million, within the Aave platform. In a recent transaction, Justin Sun transferred his entire holdings of 11,910 AAVE, which is valued at approximately $776,000, to Huobi. On October 27, 2021, when the price of AAVE was $327, Justin Sun deposited a substantial amount of 49,000 AAVE, totaling around $16 million, into Binance. Furthermore, on January 28, 2022, when the price of AAVE stood at $148, Justin Sun made another deposit of 59.5K AAVE, equivalent to approximately $8.8 million, into Binance. Whale 0xC54A has emerged as the most significant non-exchange and non-Pendle team holder of Pendle, accumulating approximately 3.44 million tokens, equivalent to $2.56 million, through various addresses on decentralized exchanges, DEX, and centralized exchanges, CX, since February 9th. With an average buying price of approximately $0.2852, their investment has resulted in a substantial profit of around $1.58 million, reflecting a remarkable increase of 162% given the current price surge to 76 cents, plus 1,552%, this year. The individual with the wallet address 0x6FD80BA has achieved an impressive profit of $350,000 through their investment in Pepe over the past 5 days. They initially purchased $675 trillion Pepe tokens at an average price of $0.0000003065. Presently, the value of their Pepe holdings amounts to $463,000, and once the tokens are sold, they will realize a profit of $370,000.